What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a blue smoky eye or a colorful smoky eye. I have been a bit tired of seeing neutrals, like especially on myself. Like I've just been doing neutral. My everyday eyeshadow is like a blush pink eyeshadow with like, you know, a bit of brown and a nude lip. So I was like, you know, since spring is around the corner, why not do something colorful? And I thought, let me record this smoky eye for you guys. It's so beautiful, and if you want to see how I do this eyeshadow, please get into the video and carry on watching. So I've already done my skincare. I have flattened out my brows, laid them down. Now I'm just gonna pencil them a little bit, just a little bit, because I feel like for this look I want my brows to kind of look a little bit stand out, but not too much. So using my concealer to prime my eye, and I'm also using it as a base. So I'm going to show you two ways of doing this, using a lighter shade primer, and here I'll be using my liner, which is brown. Usually I'll use a black paint pot, but this is the closest thing I have to it. So it's really soft, it's not going to hurt my eye. And just going to show you that you're going to achieve the same thing, but you need to make sure it's such a sticky base to do this. So I'm going to just blend that in so there's no harsh lines. It's super soft, so it's really easy to blend. I'm going to be going in with a coral and a reddish brick eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be using it as a transition shade on both eyes. I'm also going to use my Juvia's Palace Masquerade palette, and I'll be using these blues. Look how pigmented they are, guys. I absolutely love this palette. So I'll be going in with this blue, I think. I don't know, indigo. It's like an indigo blue. So I'll be putting that as my first color. Yes, I'll be using all three of those blues. So I'm just going above my lid space, just a little bit higher, like I said on my last video. I'm just packing in patting motion that color on my lid. So as you can see, even on the lid that I used a lighter primer, it's still coming out the same. So it's just to show you that you can use two types of bases if you're gonna go and do a vibrant color, especially like blues, greens, and purples and stuff. So this is how it's looking on the other side. I'm so sorry guys, I thought I showed this part, but I did go on the corners of my eyes and put like a darker charcoal color just to give it the smoky effect. I'm just going in with a lighter blue in the middle. To get rid of any fallouts, I'm just taking a wipe and I'm just wiping the sides and under my eye, just trying to sharpen that eyeshadow on the side, so it kind of gives me like a winged look that I'm trying to go for, and using a turquoise lighter shade, I'm just going in my inner corner to put that. See how that's coming along? I'm just applying eyeliner. I'm gonna wing it out, and then I'm gonna put mascara and lashes, and you will see the finished look. So this is the full makeup done with the eyeshadow and the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful blue smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you new subscribers for subscribing. I see you guys. Thank you so much.